Hello everybody and welcome to this video on MakeCode for Minecraft Education Edition. My name is Pelly. I work for Microsoft MakeCode here in Seattle, Washington.
And my name's Nell.
And today we're going to be doing coding in Minecraft Education Edition. If you're a student in a school that has Office 365, you can download Minecraft Education Edition and try it out. It should work for you. If it doesn't work for you, check out the links in the video on how to enable it. It's a very cool way. You can even play with your friends if you host the world.
Yeah.
That being said, we're going to be working on, what are we doing today? No.
Batcave.
Batcave. Okay, let's get a new character. Start that by getting into the bat feeling. Bat. Okay, let's see. Who's that?
I don't know, but
All
he
right.
looks funny.
Well, that sounds great. Shall we get started?
Yes, we shall.
All right. So we're going to click play, and for Batcave, we need a world. So we're not going to do a flat world. We're going to start with a just a regular Minecraft world. Make sure you're in survival. No, creative.
Oh wait, are we?
No, because we're in the default. Yeah, let's go creative, regular world, everything kind of the same. Always, not always day, because we're gonna need night.
Show coordinates.
Show coordinates. Make sure Code Builder is enabled with sheets, and that should be good enough to play. If you play host here, you'll be able to invite friends in the world as well. But we're gonna stay on our own today.
Yeah. So you.
Control B to turn on speech. Ooh.
I never knew there was such a thing.
Oh, wow. I'll try that after the video.
To see if it actually works.
That's very cool.
Close up.
Okay, so the world is spawning. Okay, we've got a whole world here.
I want to get somewhere nicer.
We're gonna have to build some caves. So we need some kind of let's go in the mountainside because we're gonna be.
Wait.
Yeah.
I don't wanna be...
How about you land over there? That's what we're gonna need near the village.
Let's enhance the village.
Okay, so to enter the coding section, we're gonna press C.
C for coding.
C for coding. It's gonna load Code Builder. We're already in MakeCode because we've done it, but typically you land here and you select Microsoft MakeCode.
Yes, and then you will find yourself here.
You found yourself here, and in the tutorials, I think, all the way to the back of the tutorial, there's a really fun one. No, it's gonna be maybe in terraforming. No, not superpowers, not the agent.
Mobs.
Maybe mobs.
No.
Oh, you right-clicked.
Oh, sorry.
Terraforming.
Wait.
No.
There's such thing as a hot tub. We made it ourselves.
Yeah, we made the hot tub. Scroll up. How about...
Here?
No, where is it? Mobs.
Oh, mobs. Okay.
Batcave.
Looks super.
Oh, there's a lot of mobs fun tutorials, bouncing pits, rabbit invasions. Cat versus dogs. But we're doing Batcave today.
Okay, so we're using blocks, but you can use Python or JavaScript, so...
Oh, that's not a tutorial. That's a full example. Well, actually, that's very interesting. Let's go back to Batcave and let's try to understand what it does. So if your latest programs are here in the first line, I'm going to click on Batcave and zoom in a whole bunch. And what are we going to do for this is to actually take everything out and put it back piece by piece and figure out what it does.
Can I do that?
Oops, I resized Minecraft. That wasn't good.
Can I do it?
Actually, let's see. Let's try to go through the blocks and figure out what this is going to do.
So, chat command, you just got to put cave and then it will work.
Yeah, okay.
Now say dig a cave.
So can you just click on the block so we see exactly what we're talking about?
Now say dig a cave. I don't know what that means.
You know what? You know what we can do? Let's just try it out. So you want to go in the chat and say, cave. And we could do Control B or something to even talk to our microphone.
Oh,
Cave. Oh, wait, look. Look at your chat on the left.
Dig a cave.
Dig a cave. So say actually makes your players say something in the game. And I guess other friends in the world are going to see that.
Oh,
So that's a cool way to actually show text on the screen.
that is smart.
All right, let's keep going in the text.
Okay.
Let's bring back one block. So what you can do instead of bringing everything is you press Control
Oh, so
and
cool.
Control click and grab one out. So
Times-
what is times a day? I think this one we know.
No, but why is it day? It shouldn't be day. Oh, times at dusk. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought day. Okay.
So we're setting the day. That sounds
Good.
Sounds okay. Where's my Minecraft? There we go. Let's see the next one. So how about we grab that loop here?
Oh, it comes.
Okay, so repeat 50 times.
Fill. Oh,
And-
it makes that big cave. Can we try it out?
And it fills.
With air. And when you use air, it like clears everything.
It clears everything. It's like Super Digger.
Yeah.
So I think the goal here is you go right next to the cliff.
Mhm.
You launch your mod and then you just dig the cave. So you just walk into the cliff.
Can we try?
Yes. So you want to go near cliff. Okay, you're in the cliff. Perfect. Now stay there.
Oh.
Now, well, you were fine. Okay. You can even be in flying mode. And now you're gonna launch the chat command. Where are you going? Are you going higher?
Yes.
All right. All right. So let's launch the game. And let's go. Okay. Go dig as fast as possible. Oh, you were too slow.
Oh, okay. Well, then we'll do that.
Because it goes pretty fast. Maybe we need to add a pause. Okay, and it doesn't do it. It's done.
No.
Turn around. Yeah, you've got a cave.
Oh, this is actually a
Okay,
nice
so that's what the
package.
code does. It kind of, it's a quick
That was
code to build a cave. Oh, that's pretty good.
It's
All
scary.
right,
Okay.
should we keep going?
Okay. No. Back.
Pressing C to get
To
back to the
code.
code. And let's grab the next block. And press Control here.
Oh, wait, no.
Wait. Here we go.
Set bat cave to player world position.
Oh,
What does that do?
what does that mean? You know how we use these, these wavy characters here? So these mean be 1, 2, 1 around the player current position. Exactly at the moment the code runs. But then here we're asking Minecraft, give him his position in the world. And if you see here, this is the position of the player. Like this is like your GPS position in Minecraft world. So we're gonna have to figure out, because this is really where the bat cave is. So we're gonna do is we're gonna tell the player, run in the mountain.
Okay.
And then when he's done running, we're gonna record where the end of the bat cave is. And then we're gonna tell the player, run away out. And then we're gonna spawn the bats in the cave. And then the bats are just gonna leave the cave. Was that confusing?
No.
Well, if you take the next block, you'll see it. It makes sense.
Oh, because see now it says, so now
You have 10 seconds to go out before the bats arrive.
now it paused.
And then you pause for 10 seconds.
Control.
Yeah. And
Now
then you say, watch for bats. And then you go to dusk, because it's more dramatic.
now spawn
And then you spawn, and this is the interesting piece. Look at where you're spawning your bats.
at bat cave.
Ah, you're spawning. How many bats do you want?
I want more.
500 bats.
Yeah.
So you remembered where the bottom, the back of the cave was.
Yeah.
And then that's where all the bats, because if you spawn the bats now, they're just going to spawn on your player.
Oh.
So that's not good. And
Okay.
remember, variables are like memory.
Okay.
You store value.
Can
Let's
we
run
try?
it. So
But it can't be over here.
now you need to go and find another spot.
I know a great spot. Right here. They will invade the village at dusk.
Yeah, and then there's going to be kind of finding the best angle with dusk. You wanted the bats to kind of cross the sky,
Yes.
cross the sun. But let's try this one.
Keep the mouse
So
on
keep the
it.
mouse on, press up, and you don't have to retype everything.
Quick, quick, quick.
And then now we go as fast as possible. Look, you have 10 seconds to go out before the bats arrived. And now,
Stinks in here.
now we are seeing the bats come out. This is amazing.
Hey, where are the... Oh,
Oh.
I'm scared of bats.
All right.
The villager was scared.
How can we improve this?
A bat just went in his house.
A bat ran into this house.
I
So there
know.
are many bats now.
I know what it can improve.
So I think, for example, dusk was too late. We need to set up dusk.
Got a question.
Yeah.
Since you're like good, can you make things hunt things?
No.
No, that would.
You can't change the behaviors of the characters in Minecraft. You can't spawn them.
Can I spawn them with swords?
The bats? I
Yeah.
don't think the bats can carry swords.
Oh, and that's a bummer. Well, this brave knight, we're gonna.
So we've got the bat cave.
Can I go do another one?
Yeah, let's do another one. Maybe let's think about improvements. Ooh,
Are those things cool?
yeah, they're pretty cool.
Never mind.
Never mind. Let's go back to bat
It's not
cave. What else can we improve in bat cave? Yeah, eventually you have to stop moving in the world, I think.
This takes long. Can I go see what we can do?
Yeah, exactly.
Wait. We have to keep on looking at some snow. So.
I think the messages were not really visible. And
Oh.
no.
Ooh, can you spawn a monster?
You can spawn monsters, but then it won't be a bat cave anymore.
You can spawn monsters and bats. It's called Death Cave.
Yeah, you could do that. So let's do that. So
Ooh,
you want
no,
to
no, and then it's like another mini game. You have to stay in there and then you have to run
you have to run. Okay.
without losing without.
You could
dying.
teleport the player in the cave.
Ooh, and then it turns to survival.
Then oh yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me resize the window because
I think I might have just hit a gold run or something.
all right. So what are we going to do? We're
Home run. Found it.
gonna spawn a few monsters. Maybe not 500. So you want to do that. So let's go. No, that's fine. Let's keep the 500 bats. Or maybe 200 or 500.
450.
All right. Let's spawn some more monsters.
So.
Where's spawn?
Oh.
Spawn is a mob, so spawn should be in the mobs. Oh yeah. And here, how about you scroll up the view? 'Cause we're at the bottom here. All right. So we're spawning. What are we spawning? Squid. Squid needs water. Zombie horse. Putterfish. Oh, that's all the fishes. What's scary in a cave? What lives in a cave? Donkeys? Oh, skeleton something.
A villager.
A wolf. A wolf sounds good. Chickens live in caves.
A
They do.
wolf.
A wolf. Now, where do we spawn it?
We spawn it at Bat Cave.
All right. So we need to find that,
Variables.
and that's going to be in variables. And we're spawning. Just replace it all. And keep going left. The other left. All the way to near at. Here, add. Let's go. There we go.
Oh, it worked.
And how many wolves do you want?
A lot.
Okay, so how do we create multiple wolves? And we got
Repeat. No.
and repeat. We're gonna do
250.
That's gonna be a lot of wolves.
Hey, but it says this monster something.
Oh yeah, you can do monsters too.
Zombie, creeper, skeleton, spiders, zombie pigman.
250.
Yeah.
Okay, now you want your player. What do you want? You want the player in the cave, right?
Yeah. So then teleport. So that's player.
Yeah.
So
And
teleport.
remember, if you can't remember where a block is, what can you do? Search.
Oh. No.
Yeah, but you knew.
I
And
go on variables.
and he's going back in the cave. Lucky person.
But is it on variables?
Yeah, there is a variable bat cave that holds the position where we want to go, just like for the monsters. There we go.
Now.
So we've but he's still in
Rename
creative.
variable.
No, you don't want to rename it.
Oh, okay. Now.
We want to go into creative mode.
So loops.
Maybe not position. No gameplay. Oh, gameplay maybe.
That was a. Oh no.
We already did the time.
Now.
Difficulty survival to the nearest player. Yeah,
To
that's you
Random player. No. Nearest player.
or yourself.
Survival. Oh yes.
Survival. Yes, yourself. Yeah.
Because you don't want to put other people in danger.
Okay, that's Batcave survival mode.
Let's try this thing out.
Let's try this thing out. So we are going on the side of some mountain.
Ooh, there's snow. I like snow.
Let's just go down this. Oh yeah, that's a nice cliff. Go down this cliff. Okay, here, perfect.
Okay.
And start the code. Digging into the. Okay, get out, get out, get out. That's a very short. Somehow I think we need to add a pause in the digging. It's too fast. And then the player's like, oh yeah, I'm safe. There's gonna be no bats. And then eventually we're gonna teleport him in the middle of everything. Uh-oh.
Hey,
It's still spawning all the other ones.
oh wait, you have to teleport there right after they spawn. Or in the middle.
I'm wondering what's going on.
Hey, we should teleport.
Yeah, what happened here?
Why aren't I teleporting?
Oh. Maybe it didn't like spawning all these monsters.
Oh,
Oh yeah, there we go.
hey, and where are the wolves?
There. I don't know. They teleported somewhere. Maybe it didn't like spawning so many wolves.
Oh, uh-oh.
Are you in survival mode?
I thought I could fly.
Let's go back to the code. I think we can make a few changes. First, let's give some time for the digging.
First, 50 wolves.
All right.
Now, digging. No, but it says
Just add a pause in the loop. So that,
loops. Pause.
and we're just gonna wait maybe like, yeah, so it'll take 5 seconds to 50 times 100 milliseconds. Oh no, that's a lot of time waiting.
Yeah, I think.
100 was good.
Oh.
That means it takes 5 seconds to, that's gonna be
500.
slow. It's gonna be 25 seconds to about 100. So 5 seconds to dig. And I think, I might be wrong. There might be something to do with,
Oh, wait, bats?
yeah, that's would change. How about we use title?
So, can I just take this out?
Yeah, if you use control and
Oh,
select, you can take it out. And
Oh, no.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Ready?
In fact, the player shouldn't move.
Yeah,
He's
Wait.
just waiting. So don't do the pause.
Where?
The pause 10 seconds. That you don't need. Whoops.
Oh, wait, control, then.
Control. And then click.
That's it.
There you go.
I was using shift.
And Put him in survival directly. It doesn't matter. Before we start spawning everything. Yeah. And then he basically... and then now what you want to show is a title right after dusk that says... We don't teleport him anymore. Because he's already there. And we just say escape.
Okay.
So let's get them out. No more teleportation. And instead we're going to do title. And if we don't know, we can search. Title. Show title. Do it right after you go in survival mode.
Right after dusk.
And basically that's your game. You're going to say...
Title.
Escape!
No.
Run for your life!
No, it's called Death Cave.
Death Cave.
Can't find V. I'm not good at typing. Death Cave. Now. Escape.
Well, I've been typing for a long time, so I'll make mistakes. And I watch my keyboard. So you're
2
fine.
C's. Plus, I can't spell that.
Escape. E-X-K-V.
E-X?
E-S-C-A.
E-S.
Escape. It's more dramatic. P-E. All right.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this. So we're gonna run. Oh, you're in survival. There's no more flying.
You know what? Back.
Just dig.
Escape.
Oh no, you need to be. No. Go back.
Settings.
Escape.
No,
Let's do it in code.
Oh, okay.
Actually, that's a great point. We need to put the player in creative before starting this mod.
Oh, wait.
So go back to the code and put him in creative so that he can dig. That's actually a great point.
No, that's in gameplay.
Let's change game mode to...
And change
Yeah, that's perfect.
to
Creative.
creative. Yay!
And how about we, instead of say, we're going to use title. Because it's easy, actually easier. I like title a lot.
What's title? What's he mean by title?
Like, you know, it gets all over the screen instead of just a chat message. So we're going to replace dig a cave here by a title block. So control click. And now you're going to grab the title block, show title, and stuff it in there. Yeah, and now it's like dig.
Dig. Dig. Dig.
Okay, let's try a cave.
Dig.
Dig. Oh, dig. All right,
Dig,
perfect.
No, dig. A cave.
A cave. That's a great way to give instructions.
Ready? Set.
Ready, set.
But
So-
I have to.
No, you can't go and just start the mod. There we go.
Wait, this is a perfect place.
Yeah.
Nope.
And arrow up.
Cave.
Dig. Okay, that's clear now. And every half second we dig, and that's going to be done 50 times. That's why I told you it's a bit slow. And now we don't even know. We're still digging.
I know. I'm trying to make it uneven.
Eventually, you'll see the escape. This has become like an underground mall.
See, look, it looks quite ugly. It looks like
You know,
it's,
maybe we should tell the user how many times less of dig,
is
so he
this,
knows the game is running.
now, no, but we should put a title, stay in. The
How
cave.
about we show, because he's still digging. Oh, death. Escape. Escape!
No, I want to see the wolves.
Maybe you have too many bats.
I'm gonna lower the notch of bats. I don't like bats. So let's go back to code.
Wait. One thing I want to do is in the loop.
Okay, yeah. Now I'm gonna just go. I'm good at climbing.
Let's go back to the
see?
code. Let's do a few more improvements here. I think we can improve our game. And this is, a lot of things.
Okay, yeah. See, we're ready. This is where we're gonna dig.
All right. So, I thought in the loop it was hard to figure out if the game was going on. So I'm proposing to show title in there and do a timer.
So where?
When we're digging.
Oh,
So when you're repeating, you can do a show. Show title. There you go.
Where?
This one. And put it in the loop.
Yeah.
And yeah, somewhere. And then we're gonna say what? Keep digging. Or actually
Keep
just called.
dig.
Actually, what we can do is move the. Yeah. All right.
Keep digging.
So that's one thing. That's good. Hold on. Let's go full screen here.
What?
No, wrong way. Click this button. Okay.
Oh, this is much better.
Although I need to move out. Let me move out of the way. There we go.
Oh wait, can I do something?
Now we're
this
gonna
is
want
much
less bats. Okay.
And 50, yeah, and then we have 200 animals.
How about we spawn these ones first? See if that works.
Ooh, okay, can we try?
And we can try the game.
Ooh.
Okay, so press T. And go. Keep digging.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Well, at least you know. Why is it so slow?
I'm scared. I'm scared of the dark. Can I get some torches?
Yeah. We'll figure out a way to have them one day.
Uh-oh.
I mean, the whole point, it's a cave, right? It has to be dark.
I know, but then I break them. But it can't be that dark. Then I'm gonna lose. Do you see anything?
Maybe 50 is long. Oh, there we go. Oh, you
found water.
You found a river.
I'm not sure this is good.
It's not good for us. It's not good for the wolves. Death cave.
Oh.
And they're in survival mode. No, I don't know why the wolves don't want to show up.
Oh wait, we don't have wolves. We have like pigmen. And I'm not sure they live in caves.
How about we spawn chickens?
Why?
They're scary if they want. I mean, have you seen a chicken?
Yes, I have in real life. They are scary, but like, how are they scary in Minecraft?
Well, you get food in your cave. It's not really a death cave, though.
Trying to break him stone, you know.
All right, so let's go back to the code and see what we've done so far.
Okay, I'm scared of heights.
Yeah. All right, so we're spawning. What are we spawning?
We're spawning zombie pigmen.
I don't know if we can do that.
No, I sort of want to see what that.
Spiders. Oh, they love caves.
Oh yeah, let's try this.
You know what? Go back to the code. Let's make the digging faster.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
And don't wait 100. Just wait 50. Yeah. Actually, you don't even have to because title does something. Yeah. Or wait 10.
10.
All right. Dig. That should be just dig.
Dig. Okay, we're good.
All right. Let's start it again.
I'm trying to go somewhere, but these bats won't let me. So I think this is a pretty nice.
Yeah.
What?
Find a good cave. Oh, there's lava over there.
Oh, I want to try that. That seems like a
No, let's do the cave here. We'll go there after.
Oh, yeah.
Sure. We could put some lava in the. So yeah. So press T. Get your mouse over the thing and hit cave.
Okay.
No, wrong key. Escape. Chill out. Keep digging. Nope.
I'm not very good at these things.
Yeah, you're doing pretty well. You got a pretty fun mod right now.
I'm just
you got
doing this.
A good message for our user. Tell him to dig so he knows what he's doing.
I'm doing this crazily. You gotta be kidding me.
There was actually already a chicken on top of us.
This is where we have to do it.
It's still digging.
Oh, that's good.
I think this dig dialogue takes a long time. And we do it 50 times. Maybe we should automate digging. Might be easier.
No.
Oh, we're in the other cave. No.
Yeah, I chose another
Death cave. But maybe we're spawning the things in the walls. And they really don't like that.
The things... I don't see any spider. I'm gonna do one spider.
No, hold on. Let's spawn something else. Let's go into the mobs.
Spawn... Blaze, what is that?
Let's go into the mobs and find something else to spawn. Let's spawn an animal.
Here, can I? Squid, zombie horse.
Zombie horse.
Skeleton horse. No. How about a wolf?
A wolf. Okay, so you know what? How about we create a new... Let's go back to the code. I'm going to try to figure out if we use wolf correctly. And for that, I'm going to create a new little chat command that just spawns a wolf.
Okay.
So we're going to create a new chat command. And we're going to call it test.
No, just jump. No. T.
T.
I really don't want to.
And what I'm going to take is this code here. This is the code I want. And this. And that lets me test these two blocks together and figure out whether what I'm doing is right.
Okay, now let's try this thing out.
And we're gonna do T and T. T. Oh. I heard a wolf.
I don't know where they
are. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a wolf.
I only spotted one wolf.
Oh, what did you do?
I killed it.
That wolf didn't do anything to you. He looks friendly.
Oh yeah, it looked like a dog.
All right, so this works. Let's go back to the code.
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? It's probably because I only put one. Oh no!
Let's put instead of 50. You know what? Let's get rid of the bats.
But
and
then
let's put 5 here.
But then it's not Bat Cave.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe you're right.
Which is not that much.
And here we're gonna remove this.
It's Dog Cave. No, Wolf Cave. Or it's Death Cave, so it was never Bat Cave.
It's Death Cave, yeah.
Okay, so
let's do this 20 times. Alright.
Okay, we're good.
We're good. Let's go back.
Okay.
So go into the Bat Cave.
Oh, I want to go to that lava.
Oh, you're in creative. You're in survival.
I know.
So don't drown. That's cool. Oh wow, it's like a waterfall.
Uh-oh.
Let's dig into it.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah, I'll be in creative.
Alright.
Oh.
No, not T. You want cave. If you press it up multiple times. Works too.
Okay.
Dig! Uh-oh, now Death Cave. Oh yeah, the wolves are here. They're not liking the lava at all. Okay, run the code again so we get a better cave.
Oh.
But you're dying too.
Oh.
Just to mention.
I didn't know that. Oh wait, I have to get in the water.
Okay. Okay. Let's do the cave again.
But where?
Anywhere. Right there. That's going to be our final cave.
Oh wait, I don't know why I just did that.
Here, hit play. And let's go. Press T, right cave, or press up. Go and run into the wall.
Oh my god.
And we've got our
The
wolves
bats
here.
The bats really do something.
The bats really do something. Yeah, sometimes you have to debug because the game engine won't let you do anything you want.
I'm gonna go somewhere in this
Oh,
cave. Oh,
that's
I'm
a
not
really
sure I
cool
really
cave.
did this.
All right, so Nell, let's go back to the code and show what we've got lastly before we get lost in this world.
Yeah, I think I might already be lost.
Can you show the code?
Oh yeah.
And this is the bat cave turned into a death cave of wolves.
It's quite big.
It's quite big. So what we showed today is that you can actually start from a sample and start modifying it bit by bit.
Yeah.
Kind of tuning to the experience you want to do.
Yeah. I want to see what I did in JavaScript. Oh.
Pretty good. It's pretty good. Nice work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm proud of myself.
You want to see what it looks like? So if you read it, it almost reads like blocks. This is your chat command.
Gameplay.
And this is where you go into creative.
Then mob target. Then gameplay. I'm gonna try to read all this.
Well, it reads a bit funny because it's a programming language, but the world should feel familiar. Gameplay.
What's the
time set.
What's the difference between JavaScript and Python?
It's just like they have different ways of doing things. If you'll see, Python has different blue words here.
Oh yeah, and there's only 19. The other one had 31.
Yeah, because JavaScript has these things called color braces that represents when things start and stop. If you go in Python, they don't do that. They use indentation to do that.
Oh.
And they're both text-based languages. You type them with the keyboard. In fact, you can, decide to do not a wolf, but a chicken.
Yay!
And then if you run the code, now you're going to do chicken. But also you can go back to blocks. And now you'll see that
It's now chicken.
it's now a chicken.
No, that's a wolf.
Is that a wolf?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Oh no, we changed this one. That's a chicken. Okay, and that is going to finish the stream. We covered our bat cave turned death cave today.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
And now you can stop the recording and see you in the next video.
Yep. See ya.